Do our shadows show up in it?
Not the way I have my camera set up.
That's all.
Because I got it above your shadow.
If you want to walk over here and take a picture of the bonfire and all that. It's just for intake. TV crews are here. Bonfires are going on. You know.
Yeah.
Life in the desert.
Yeah. So when you're out in the desert, everybody chips in and brings all kinds of wood for a big bonfire. And you can burn your cardboard too. Not bad. There's a whole bunch in this group. Part of Papa Drew's meetup is over there. And all these folks around here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice indeed. And you can see how everyone is social distancing like they're supposed to. Take two. And there's a lot of traffic down here. Yeah, the crew's having technical difficulties this morning. This is take 3. Oh, sweet! Y'all see? How cool is those graphics? How cool!
Big day for us.
That's sweet. Woohoo! Alright, y'all. We got a special treat tonight. We're going to look at Grassroots Living Truck Camper. Woohoo! Alright, look. Oh, look at that floor. I like it. Sweet. It's a little smaller than our rig.
Yeah, I just trip over myself. So we'll stay out here and let you guys look around.
Look at here. There's the bed. Nice, nice.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Like these little nets holding the food in. Awesome. Lots of lighting. Nice little seating area there. Let's see.
Inside, but I don't know how to get in from the inside.
Ah, energy. Another little seating area. Nice. Oh, I bet this is a 2-burner stove. Sure enough. Nice. Lots of
This is
storage.
very neat.
And
Storage up there, there used to be a microwave there.
a nice sink.
Got a microwave.
This is going off. This is good. I get to see this. Oh.
Oh, look at the sign. This is us, our life, our story, our home. How sweet is that? Oh, nice. It's a wet bath. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet indeed. Awesome, awesome. So, I love this composting toilet.
Yes. That's all you need.
I love it. Look here. Lots of nice storage in there.
Nothing wrong with it.
Wow, it has lots of storage. Oh, and I like the keys up there above the door.
This board right here, this is where the freshwater tank is underneath here. And this board was one big length all the way across, which means you had to lift up this to check the water level, because there is no monitor. And so we cut it in half, and then this is where the hole is, so we just lift it. Yeah.
Nice.
How many gallons of water do you hold on this thing?
That's 12 for the freshwater tank, and of course 6 for the hot water heater, so 18 total.
And the normal that, 18 gallons total, and
And-
this small is very good.
Yeah.
And this under your feet is storage for shoes.
For shoes, because that was the one thing we didn't really
Nice.
have a place for shoes. So we built this, and I thought, like I said, everything's got to have two purposes. So we went ahead and created a couple little storage areas for our shoes, so they would have a place and we wouldn't be tripping on it all the
And it
time.
made the seating more comfortable anyway.
That's what I was telling them.
Exactly.
Right here
And-
was a bunch of empty space. This was just empty space right here, so we put one of these.
Cargo net.
Oh, okay.
It
Yeah,
goes in the back of an SUV to hold your groceries.
and it's even pocketed out.
We
It's
have one of those in
three
our
pockets.
outlet.
And so we put that in, and this is just the perfect spot. We have one skillet, one pot. Obviously we don't have like 43 of
Yeah.
each one.
Yeah.
We got just enough for what we need. And this is where we, again, added extra storage all the way through here.
I love the quilt.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
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 And I love the fact that you have this curtain across here. Well, a blanket, but that works.
It really does.
That really does work.
Our clothes are in 2 bins. He's got a bin and I've got a bin, and they're behind the blue. They're under the blue pillow.
So right here. That's,
Oh,
so I
sweet.
have a thing of shirts and pants, and she has a thing of shirts and pants. That's all of our clothes. We're very
Okay.
much minimalist. I mean,
You got to be.
you have to be
Well, yeah.
to live in this sort of a small environment.
exactly.
You don't
That's
have
my
to keep-
couch up
I
there.
think it's great.
She doesn't
I
particularly.
love it.
She doesn't particularly like to.
It's just like us. You don't meet many people. That
So this
run
is where
vintage
they
trucks.
relax.
You don't meet many people.
I love
in
it.
These truck campers.